Hey guys, I'm Amber, and today we're going to go through a yoga routine to help us with our sleep. So I know a lot of us have probably suffered from insomnia from time to time. I know I definitely have, and yoga can really help us with that. So when we're struggling with insomnia, it can be in part because our central nervous system is still keyed up in fight or flight mode. So we're still kind of dealing with the stresses of our day. And yoga can help us tap into our parasympathetic nervous system, which is the portion of our nervous system that's actually responsible for calming us down, reducing anxiety, and therefore helping with our sleep. So we're going to work through some of that together. And first things first, you guys are going to want to dress really comfortably, so wear something that you feel like you might actually be able to sleep in, because today we're actually going to get to do this practice from our beds. How great is that? Next thing, you're going to really want to set the scene for yourself. So you guys might want to light a scented candle. Maybe you make yourself some tea. Or you guys can wrap yourself up in a big cozy blanket. We're going to start in a forward fold. So what I'm going to have you guys do is soften your knees. Release your body all the way down. Yeah, really release the crown of your head down towards the ground. So it's that motion of having our head lower than our heart that's going to give us the benefit of this posture. So we're able to start to get into that parasympathetic nervous system, calming the body down. If we release really heavy, you guys might sway a little side to side, maybe bending one knee a little more than the other. Yeah, rocking out the shoulders, shaking out a little bit through the head. And take nice deep breaths. So really let out the exhale. Yeah, maybe you guys let out some sighs. Then we're slowly going to come up to standing. So taking things slow, so stacking one vertebra on top of the next. Keeping your knees soft as you rise. And you'll let your shoulders, neck, and head be the last things to come up. Once you guys get to the top, nice inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Ooh, and exhale, let your shoulders settle down your back. From here, you guys are going to come to take a seat on your bed. So maybe you guys are comfortable just sitting on the edge of your bed. Maybe you'd like to sit cross-legged as I am. Whatever is comfortable for you. And we're going to do some left nostril breathing together. So it's believed that because of the energy channels in the body, that breathing through the left nostril and out the right can actually help us relax and again tap into that parasympathetic nervous system. You guys are going to take your right hand into deer mudra. So you're going to wrap your index finger and your middle finger in, take your right thumb to your right nostril to close it off, then breathe in through the left nostril. Nice. Index finger to the left nostril and breathe out the right. We're going to repeat that cycle. So inhaling and exhaling. Nice. Again, inhale through the left and exhale right. Awesome, guys. Inhale left and exhale right. Beautiful. Again, inhale and exhale. And 2 more times. Nice inhale and exhale. And last one, inhale and exhale. Nice. Then bring your hands to press at heart center. Close your eyes. Take a big full breath in. And exhale out. Beautiful, guys. And from here, we're going to start to bring our legs up the wall. So this is one way where our bed can really help us. And you guys are just going to move any pillows or anything that you have out of the way. Nice. And the best way to get the legs up the wall is come sit sideways against your wall with your knees bent. You're going to lay back and then rotate your body around, bringing your legs up the wall. I really like that because it reduces some of that like wiggle worming that you need to do to get your butt close to the wall. As you guys come into this posture, just allow your knees to be soft. Let your feet do whatever they do. So you don't need to like flex them or point them, just let them rest. Nice, and then you guys have lots of options for the hands. So you might like to bring your hands to rest on your thighs if you just want a little more support here. It might feel really nice to take one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly. That can be really calming and grounding. If you're feeling a little more open, you might like to open your arms really wide like a T, sharing your heart energy with the world, or even reach your arms long overhead. Nice, then close your eyes. Send your focus and awareness to your breath. And start to give yourself some time and space to be in the pose. This pose is very powerful because, again, we're able to elevate our feet above our heart. That makes this a type of inversion. And as you guys are here, you might notice your body start to relax. And this is also really detoxifying for our whole circulatory system. It's actually believed to help flush old blood out of our body. Breathing here, giving yourself some time and space to be here in quiet and in stillness. Breathing deeply. Breath in. Big full breath out. And slowly bring your legs out wide like a V. So walking the heels out, just as wide as feels relatively comfortable in your body. You guys might like to grab onto the outside edges of your thighs to support you. This is a lot. Or you can gently let your hands rest on the inner thighs just to suggest a gentle opening so you're not pulling, you're not doing anything too extreme. Then find an external rotation through the legs. So you're going to let the knees roll out. The pinky toe will come a little closer to the wall. You'll feel that nice stretch through the inner thighs. And again, come back to that place of rest and stillness. Take a big full breath in. Big breath out. From here, slowly bring the soles of your feet together to touch. Knees out wide. The outside edges of your feet will rest against the wall. And press the ball of your foot together actively. And find a little more softness here. Again, if you guys need a little more support, you can take your hands to the outside of your thighs, just giving yourself a little bit of support in this pose if this is a lot of opening. Or again, if you'd like just a gentle suggestion of more, you can gently bring your hands to the insides of your thighs, inner knees. You're not pushing again, you're just letting them lightly rest there. Nice, breathe into this opening through the sacrum, the hips. And sending your body some love. Take a big full breath in. Big breath out. Gently close the knees. Bring the soles of your feet to the wall. Knees bent. Yeah, walk your feet out a little wider than hips distance. Let your heels come in, toes slightly out. And you can bring your hands to your kneecaps for support. We're going to come into half happy baby. So we'll start on the left side. Now from here, see if you can grab onto the outside edge of your left foot, maybe your calf or the back of your thigh. So if it's hard to grab that left foot while keeping your body restfully on the bed, don't do it. Just grab your calf or the thigh. There's nothing wrong with that. What you guys really want to find, no matter where you're grabbing on, is you want to see if you can get your heel to stack over your knee. Your knee will be just outside of your body, so just outside the torso, maybe a little wider, right? And then start to draw your knee a little more down towards the bed. So as you guys pull down, pull that heel down to the knee and knee down to bed, you'll feel a nice opening through the hip and the hamstring. Maybe even the front of your quad, depending on how this feels in your body. You guys can kind of imagine, if you do yoga, that this is almost like an upside down lizard pose. So again, just give yourself some time and space to breathe into the hips. If you want a little more, you might get both hands involved, so you can go ahead and just reach the right hand over to the left foot, so both hands hugging the foot, pulling that knee down. And breathing into it. Take a big full breath in. And exhale, release the left foot to the wall. We'll take that on the opposite side, grabbing onto right foot, calf, back of thigh, any place that feels right for you. Again, stack the heel over the knee and hug your knee down towards the bed. Yeah, you'll find like the distance that feels good for you to have the knee away from the body. So that is going to be a little different in our different bodies depending on how our hips are put together. And again, you can get the left hand involved, so you can grab onto the right foot with the left hand if that serves you. And breathe into it. Yeah, maybe you guys even give yourself a little massage along the leg. Take a nice big full breath in. And exhale, release your right foot to the wall. Nice, extend your legs up the wall again for a moment. You can point and flex your feet a few times, roll out your ankles nice and slow. And then go ahead, hug your knees in towards your chest. Give yourself a nice tight squeeze. How you can rock and roll a little side to side. Letting this feel really good. Let this be a nice low back release. Nice, and from here, rock to one side. And slowly press yourself up for a moment. You guys can get your pillows back on your bed if you took them off, or just back where you can find them. And we're gonna lay in a gentle heart opener. So just stack two pillows on top of each other. Nice, you'll take your butt right up to the edge of your pillows. And lie your body down on top of your pillows. Let your arms open up nice and wide like a T. You should feel a really gentle stretch through the front of your heart, front of your chest. Now you can have the soles of your feet together as I am. You might like to extend your legs long. Or if you have a sensitive low back, you might just bend your knees, place the soles of your feet on your bed. So you guys have some choices. And just letting any of these options be really restful. Breathing into it. You guys will stay here as long as you wish. When you guys are done here, we're gonna get to take the ultimate Shavasana. So you guys will roll off of your pillows and get really comfortable. So find yourself in a way that you could actually fall asleep. So you might bring your pillows how they normally would be. You guys might grab your blanket and snuggle yourself up in bed, closing your eyes and starting to drift to sleep. If you guys are still awake, thank you so much for practicing with me today. Thank you for caring for your body. I hope you're feeling so much calmer, grounded, and ready to get some good rest. So if you guys liked this video, please take the time to like it. Please subscribe to my channel. And beyond that, sleep well, sweet dreams, good night. I'll be back here with more yoga videos for you guys soon. Take care. Bye.